Hi there guys, Farrington here, your go-to guy for all things crypto mining and passive income. In today's video, I'm going to bring you guys a brand new crypto node project that I've recently just discovered. It's backed and partnered with some really huge companies within the crypto space. And what I'm going to be doing is going to be going through the tokenomics, explaining everything that you need to know about how to set yourself up to get yourself one of these nodes running so you can start earning passively with this. And I'm also going to be giving away 20% off discount codes so that you guys can get yourself involved and also save yourself some money as well. So keep watching the video all the way through. Make sure to like, subscribe, and let's get straight into today's video. So to get a bit more of an understanding of this new crypto node project that I've recently just discovered, what I'm going to be doing is going to go through the actual website of the actual project. I'm going to go through the tokenomics. I'm going to talk about the earnings, and I'm going to be giving you guys as much information as I think is necessary to get yourself set up. I'm also going to be showing you how to actually get the nodes set up and running onto your system as well. So as we can see here, guys, redefining ERC 404, gaming experiences on Avalanche, a new level of play where blockchain gaming unfolds in a boundless era. StarMech's mission is to revolutionize the gaming experience, enabling users to play, earn tokens, and collect NFTs simultaneously. We aim to simplify digital game asset management through fractional NFTs, ensuring a seamless Web3 experience without barriers. So as you can see, they've got plenty of backers and partnerships at this current moment in time. And like I said, there's a few names on there that we already all know. And like I say, even Avalanche themselves have also got involved and even retweeted. I've seen some stuff in regards to that online. They also have some games and things like that they have already set up and actually got going. And they do have some NFTs and some rarities and things along those lines. Now, that's quite a lot of stuff that a lot of these projects do. And like I say, some of these do very successful, and I'm starting to see within the crypto space right now, mobile games are becoming very popular. But with that aside, with my channel, we normally focus on the passive income and the earning potential from these crypto nodes. So let's jump straight into that now. To purchase yourself an STA node key, it is very simple to do. You just need to put yourself on the Arbitrum network, load yourself up with the correct amount of Ethereum, which is 0.073 Ethereum at the moment. And you can see as well, by using the code Farrington, will actually save you guys 5% off the purchasing price, which I think is absolutely great. But I do also want to make sure that you guys are aware that if you do check down into the description, I've actually left in there 20% off codes, so make sure you go and grab those immediately to get yourself involved in on this. But let's read a little bit more and let's learn about this before we actually jump ourselves in and start purchasing anything. So as you can see, you are at the authorized site for buying STA keys. We do not recommend using cold wallets that connect to MetaMask or other wallet apps for purchases, as problems may occur when logging into the client through the Wallet Connect. So make sure you take that into account. If you're using like a Ledger wallet or something like that, just use your MetaMask. It will work 1,000 times better and will reduce any chance of any issues. The STA key purchasing: by at least one STA key. Owning more keys results in greater accumulation of the NDSTA. STA nodes running. Your node will serve as a bridge to the StaveX Omnichain. Rewards earning: farm NDSTA and STA automatically through the keys that you've acquired, and then you can also earn some rewards as well for referring your friends through, which is absolutely great. So like I say, guys, now let me jump over to the white paper, give you guys a little bit more of an understanding of the project, and then we'll talk a little bit more about the earnings and how this is going to work out for us. Now, when you do purchase yourself an STA key, you'll have the ability to then start to use your STA node. Like I say, you can run this either via VPS or you can use Windows. Now, it's very simple to do. All you really need to do is download the actual Windows client, get that downloaded, and then follow the installation steps. And I'm actually going to show you how to install the STA node right now. To have downloaded the STA node zip file, you can see in there, there'll be two documents in there for yourself. So what we're going to need to do is we're going to need to take the exe out of the folder. So all you need to do, drag and drop this to your desktop. For myself, I'll need to replace that just because I've already done a little bit of a tester on there to make sure everything works and runs as it should do. So as we can see, we have the exe just here. So give this a quick run. And what we're going to need to do is press on more info, press on run anyway. We're then going to press on the only for me. Like I say, you can do this however you like for yourselves. Make sure you set the correct installation location for where you want to install this. Press on install. Give this a few moments to go through its installation step. Now you can see that the options got there to run the STA node, so press on run, press on the finish. Now we can see that the client itself has started to set itself up. So what we're going to need to do is we need to connect the wallet that you used to purchase the node key to start running the node. So let's jump back, let's purchase ourselves a S tier node, and then we can go from there to get ourselves connected up with our wallet. So to grab ourselves an S tier key so we can get our nodes up and running, then we start earning, what we need to do is load our wallet up with some Ethereum, either on the Arbitrum network or on the AVAX network. If you throw in the promo code Farrington, that will actually save you guys 5% off the purchasing price. Make sure you do throw that in with lowercase, and that should work out great for you guys. But I also do want to throw out something extra there, and I have fought with them for this to make sure I can get this for you guys. If you join the channel as a channel member, it'll give you perks to the channel, such as having the access to the member chat in our Discord, and it'll also give you the ability to see the membership content that I do throw onto the channel. But like I say, if you do jump into there, like I say, it costs around about $3, but I'll be throwing the discount codes in the members chat once this video does go live. So that means for those of you that are interested in saving yourself 20% off, you can jump into our members chat and grab one of those codes for yourself, and then you'll be able to save yourself 20% off the purchasing price. And if you are interested in grabbing that 20% off discount code, like I say, guys, I'll be leaving a join link for the channel down in the description, so make sure you check that out if that's something that you guys are interested in. But as we can see here, we have now purchased our key successfully. Now, like I say, guys, I've currently got right now 5 of these S tier keys at the moment. So like I say, let's jump on now and get our actual node set up correctly so that we can start earning some rewards. Now that we've gone ahead and purchased our STA keys, what we're going to need to do is take ourselves back over to our STA node client. You can see this once you have installed, there's an option there to connect your wallet. So from there, you're going to press on connect wallet, take yourself over to MetaMask, and then from there, you're probably going to need to either pull out your phone to scan this or press on the browser option. Now, for me, when I was using the browser option, it wasn't really taking me anywhere. So like I said, I'm just using the actual scan from my phone. So as you can see there, currently at the moment, I do have one of my nodes on there. And if we just give this just a few moments, I'm going to get all of the nodes set up on there at the moment. And so here we have it. I do have now the 5 keys in my wallet. And now all I really need to do once I have purchased all these keys is bring myself back to the STA node client and then press on the run STA node. So just give that a few moments. And there we have it. So now all of these nodes are running. They're now earning. And this is, like I say, going to be a very, very interesting next few weeks to next few months while I'm accumulating this balance up. And like I say, I'm very, very interested in this project and seeing where it does go, you know, in the future and going forward. Now, I also want to say as well, guys, like I say, if you do want to get a chance to get 20% off the purchasing price for one of these keys, make sure that you check the channel description for the join button for the channel. And like I say, I'll be throwing in 10-20% off discount codes in there. But if you want to just save yourself 5% off the purchasing price, then use the code Farrington, and I'll leave that down in the description for you guys just to copy and paste. Make sure you use the lowercase Farrington, and that should work perfectly for you guys. But like I said, let me know down in the comments, is this something that you guys are interested in? Is this something that you guys are going to be purchasing? I know a fair few of you already in the Discord, in my Discord channel, have already mentioned that you've purchased yourself one of these keys, hence for the reason of me jumping into this project. And like I say, I'm very, very interested at the moment. But like I say, guys, if you're interested in the 20% off discount keys, you know, for that code, then like I say, jump into the, you know, the join button for the channel, and like I say, you'll be able to save yourself 20% off the purchasing price. And I did fight with those guys to actually get that for you. So like I say, make sure you take advantage of that. Like I say, I think it's about $3, something like that, to join the channel. And like I say, it'd be well worth it in the long run. And like I say, I think it's going to save you like $45-50 or something like that in the long run. So there we have it, guys. We are now earning with our STA node. As you can see, your node is running, and I've got 5 keys currently running on there at the moment. Like I say, if this is something that you guys are actually interested in getting yourself involved in it, then like I say, check out the description. I'll be putting some links down there. I'll be putting the Gitbook so you can actually go through and have a bit of read through the project. Make sure it's something that you guys are interested in. Make sure you do your own financial research. Like I said, nothing that I do say in today's video is financial advice. But like I say, at the same time, I'm in the project now. And like I say, I've gone ahead and grabbed you guys 10-20% off, you know, discount codes. So like I say, if you're interested in those, like I said, you know, join the channel, and I'll be making sure to pop those into the members chat. And then also as well, if you just want to save yourself 5% off, let's say if you don't want to join the channel, that's perfectly fine. Like I say, you'll be able to save yourself 5% off using code Farrington, all in lowercase. So make sure you do go ahead and use that. But like I say, guys, thank you very much for watching today's video. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.